Hi everybody, this is my version of the Bedini motor. The plans for the circuit I got from YouTube and from the internet. They're done by the Daftman, who seems to be a bit of a pro when it comes to these sorts of motors and various other types. What I've got for the rotor here is a hard drive disc with a bearing that I removed from the casing, superglued 2 neodymium magnets, 1 to each side across the diameter of the hard disk. Here we have a spool. It's bifilia wound, so there's basically 22 and 26 gauge enamel coated wire. I've wound to a capacity basically until I run out of the thickest gauge wire, equal lengths of that, so it should be about 400 turns. I've then got my trigger and run core wires, as you can see, coming from the back, going into my circuit, which again is based upon the Daftman's design, which works very well. Haven't had any problems with it, apart from the fact I managed to almost electrocute myself just testing to see if the circuit was hot. Give me a bit of a belt actually. The wires here go to my car battery, which is probably why I've got such a belt, and the other wires which go around the back go to my multimeter here, the only way I could get a reading, which is what puzzles me, because I'm not really that knowledgeable when it comes to electronics, is, I don't know if you can see, but I have to have it set at 200 millivolts to get any sort of reading, and that's on the AC side, rather than 200 volts DC, which is what I've also been told by somebody else to set it to. So who knows, but my problem was I wasn't actually seeing any voltage come from the circuit into the charged battery, or in this case my multimeter. So if anyone's got any ideas, if they could please let me know. This is my dog coming to say hello. I do apologise, he's a bit camera shy. Anyway, I'm going to kick the circuit off and let me show you how it all runs. I'm just going to plug in the positive side of my battery here to my wire, and I'll turn my potentiometer fully to the right. Multimeter, right, here we go. Give it a spin. As you can see, it spins up quite well, increasing in speed, and like I say, this is set to 200 millivolts, so I don't actually know what I'm reading, but that will increase, and as you can see it gets to about 30 eventually when I tune the potentiometer. I must remember not to touch anything I shouldn't, as I'll end up getting a electric shock. Right, I'll just turn it to the left slowly, and the speed seems to be coming down. Turn it up a bit more. Speed's increasing. There you go, there's our neon. And that's fully to the left. That's flashing away. Well, it actually looks fixed out of the camera, but I suppose the frame speed is showing it blinking on the viewfinder. Anyway, so here we go, and I'm going to adjust the potentiometer very, very slowly, and you can see it's moving around a bit. This is now going up. Very, very sporadic flashing of my neon. I think it's fantastic, although I haven't got a clue how it works. I'm just fascinated by this stuff. Here we go, it's about as high as it gets. I'm lying, it's still going up. I don't know if you can hear the change of the pitch as the rotor seems to slow down a bit. But there you go, that's my Bedini motor. If someone could let me know what they think about the measuring the voltage coming off, I'd be most grateful, and I look forward to doing more of these projects in the future. There you go, that's my Bedini motor. Thanks for watching.